Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an update from IPR, Institute for Plasma Research. When you will go to the official website of ipr.res.in, here you can see in the career section one latest advertisement is there for the engagement of graduate and technician apprentice. When you will click here, the detailed advertisement will be open. Let's check it out. So first of all, they are inviting the all 9 applications from the eligible candidates for their engagement as apprentice. Okay, so here you can see computer engineering, number of vacancies in the graduate degree will be 5, technician. Okay, this is for both. Degree means graduate, BE Tech, and technician means for the diploma also. So I am looking for this one, graduate. So 5 civil engineering, 5 electrical engineering, 5 electronics and communication, 5 mechanical engineering, 5 instrumentation and control, 2 and the general other it is 5. So overall there are 32 vacancies are available. Okay, now let's check it out, more details here. Eligibility criteria for graduate apprentice means degree. So what is this? For computer engineering, candidate should have BE Tech in computer engineering. Civil, same BE Tech in civil. Electrical, BE Tech in electrical. So similarly here, for whatever the branch you are applying, you should have BE Tech in that respective branch. Okay, yeah, this is for general, where any graduate in commerce, arts or business administration can possible here. Now when I'm coming to the next one, for the technician, you can see diploma students are eligible here. Diploma in computer, diploma in civil, diploma in electrical, you can check it out, this one. Now what is the stipend? So in this training period, they will give you the stipend of 13,500 per month. Okay, for graduate apprentices degree holder, and for technicians means for the diploma holder, this is 12,000 per month. Now period of training, this training period will be of 1 year for all the apprentices. Okay, the institute shall have no obligations to give regular employment to apprentice. So first of all, this is not a fixed term job, this is just in training or apprenticeship for 1 year. Okay, yes. Now here the next is how to apply. It's clearly mentioned here, dear students, that candidates need to apply with this one here, the official website. You will go to this website and you can just apply here. Now what is the last date? As it's already started from the 22nd of the June, and last date for applying will be 21st July 2024. Before that you can apply here. Okay, few general instructions are mentioned, you can check it out. Candidate should have passed a degree or diploma in the respective branch or discipline either in the 22, 23 or 24. So before 22 there is no degree or diploma holder eligible. This is clearly mentioned. Candidates who have passed a degree or diploma in 21 or before are not eligible. That is clearly mentioned. Before applying, please register yourself at this portal and then you can apply. Those you have already attended, so you are not eligible. Okay, if you are already having the training or apprenticeship here, then you are not eligible. Okay, where the CGP, SGP or letter grade is mentioned, please check it out. This one also, selection will be solely on the merit based. This is clearly mentioned, it will be on the merit based in respect of your degree or diploma engineering marks. Okay, and the name and date of birth you need to write down here. More details are mentioned. List of selected candidates will be displayed on the IPR website only, I think. Yeah, so please check it out, that the official website, it is clearly mentioned. This is the website. When you will go there, you can just approach. Okay, so if a student wants to, this is not a permanent job, dear students, I'm just clearing again. If a student wants to go for the apprenticeship, or you want to go for the training period, you want to explore yourself in this duration of 1 year, surely you will get some stipend also. So you can just get benefit of this opportunity if you are looking for this type of opportunity. Stay connected to IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. And still, if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, then subscribe it. Press the bell icon for all the upcoming notification. Thanks.